This presentation briefly covers the strategy update round during this autumn 2024. In this strategy round, we intend to update the strategy developed by the university personnel under the management team and in the leadership of Minna Martikainen, our rector. This slide nicely depicts the university strategy: sustainable business, energy and society. The vision, the mission, the values, strategic focus areas, schools, platforms and brand promise. Please go through this slide when preparing to the strategy update and consider how these issues are and should be reflected in your performance unit level strategy. During this strategy update round, the strategy will be updated at the board level, management team level, performance unit levels, school levels, in the administrative units, and then getting also the comments from our ecosystem partners. In this update round, you will update at your performance unit level or administrative unit levels your vision and capabilities, value promise, strategy map, goals, measures and actions, and then the development programs. So the 5 tools you used in the previous round are used again in this round, but this time, of course, you are building on the work that you did past year. That is the reason why you only have half a day to use for this workshop. So we assume that you will be doing the work already beforehand in a way that you download the slide set or check the slide set in your Teams folder under the University of Vaasa strategy process, under your school or administrative unit, in your performance unit. And this is where you find from that subfolder, you find from the files your performance unit strategy as your performance unit left it last year. And now it's the time to get back to it, if you haven't done it before, to reconsider and update those contents and logics so that they better match the targets or the goals that was set at the time and updated for this round. So this is the time to update your strategy, but we will not have enough time in the workshops to go through all details. So what you need to do is to come prepared, see the materials beforehand, make comments and prepare your comments for the workshop so that you can effectively communicate and discuss with your colleagues in the group and find a consensus, the common thinking that you will communicate through those slides effectively. And those will be used again by administrative units, schools, and then the university to update the top levels versions of those strategies. So you start with vision and capabilities. On the top right corner you have the vision and the targets, and then those must-win battles and capabilities as they are in this slide. Please see those through and consider how those are reflected to your performance unit strategies. this process will not assist development of your strategic thinking if you don't do the work. So it's really important that you take this time seriously and use the time needed for preparing yourself and your thinking to the workshop so that you can communicate effectively your ideas. As the second tool, we have the value promise. Below the slide, the customer segments, students, academic community, funding agencies, companies, and then the target level in each of the value promise, and then the current state. You can also, in the workshops, go through and reflect these value promises that you have in your performance unit versions and see that how you would like to update your performance unit value promises so that it matches the target state of your performance unit. As the third tool, you have the strategy map. On the highest level row, you have the targets. There you see the university primary targets. Of course, you will be looking at your performance unit level, and those targets or goals are set by your school and for the school by the university management team. Then you have the customer values. These were depicted or taken from the previous tool. And then on the third row, we have processes and activities which enable us at the performance unit level to create the customer value from the lowest row of resources and competencies. So you have resources and competencies, processes and activities that enable the value creation for your customers to achieve those strategic targets. And this synthesizes the strategic logic of that strategic entity, which in your case is the performance unit or an administrative unit. Here you see the university strategic targets depicted into one slide, the measures and then the strategic actions as roughly covered then by the different development programs. And finally, this slide includes the development programs as they were defined by the 2023 strategy work at our university. Development programs regarding research, education, internationalization, digitalization and management, employee experience, engagement and impact. And within those development programs, we have development projects which also cover investments. Within those development programs, there may be work packages and tasks. But this is then the way how we intend to implement, and obviously the implementation is already ongoing, implement the university strategy until 2030. And again, in this slide on the top right-hand corner, you see the university strategic targets. So you can compare the development programs and development projects within those programs and how we are going to achieve those strategic targets by those development projects and programs. at your performance unit level or in the administrative units. This is something you should also consider. So consider carefully the targets that has been set to you by the university, by our divisions, schools and administrative units, so that within your unit level you can carefully consider what types of development projects and investments are needed within your development programs so that you could achieve the strategic targets set to your unit. Again, this is the time to consider carefully if you have defined correctly the development projects and investment needs, and if those cover the needed investments so that you can actually achieve those strategic targets. And if not, what should be added, and if there are some development projects which already have been implemented or which are very close to finish, you may want to remove those. Again, the strategy version that we are showing here in this presentation is the university strategy version from the previous round. This is currently updated by the university top management, our management team, and our board. So the figures, the numbers presented in this slide set and in this presentation, and also the contents are still under update, so some fine-tuning, some adjustment may take place. But you will get the information about your unit's strategic targets as the top management sees them at the moment before your workshops. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope that it was useful for your preparation to the workshop. Thank you.